So today when I was on YouTube, I was looking for ideas for my newest YouTube video, and all that I kept on seeing is those funny cat vines compilations. And yes, I have decided to react to some of them. So hopefully you guys do enjoy this video. Yeah, I guess with that being said, let's get into it. Cat isn't the cat. Oh!
It's a trap. It's a trap.
Oh, let's see if we don't laugh. Oh damn! I feel bad for that guy. I feel bad for it. Rescue mission.
Spider cut. Spider cut. Does whatever a spider cut does.
How is he climbing that?
Can he
Holy
fly?
cow.
No, he can't. That's because he's just a cat.
Oh. Oh my goodness. That cat was falling down pretty fast. Oh, that I don't know why, but animals sometimes do that. Like honestly, once my granny's dog actually done that.
But we go forward on into round 3.
Oh, go on, dog, go on, go on, get him. So cute. And also, he's gonna fall. He's gonna fall. He's gonna fall. Super power. That's actually pretty funny. Oh! That dogs are the best. That's why I prefer dogs and cats. Alright. Just look at his shadow. Oh, cat workout, boys. Oh.
Come on.
He's trying to walk around, but yeah, he's not. Oh my days. Oh, don't touch my money. Animals care about money too.
Randy Orton in a place we've never seen him before. Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out.
Oh.
What am I gonna do to make you love me? What am I gonna do to make you care? It's sad, so sad. Why can't we talk it over? Oh, it seems to me that sorry seems to be
The cat studio. That's cool.
everybody was kung fu fighting. Those kids were fast as lightning. In fact, it was a little bit frightening.
That cat is scared of him. That cat is, yeah, he's scared. just trying to catch sound. Oh. That's actually quite creepy. Lol. It looks like a koala bear. It actually does. Yeah, like a small koala bear. Having a nap, the cat. Okay, so that would be it for the video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to slap that like button down below. I know that it might have been like pretty short, but if you want me to do more of these videos, comment down below and also leave a like, so that I do know that you guys enjoy them, and I will do some more of these videos in the future. So yeah, I guess this will be it. Hope you have an amazing day and peace out.